Right.
Keep it just directly staring at it.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you need filters though. You gotta have filters. Like if you got a welder's mask, put it over top of the camera. A welder's mask with at least shade 10. Huh? I'm gonna take a couple of pictures of what I'm seeing in the camera now, and I'm gonna text it to you.
Yeah, and I should be able to add that because I'm actually creating me I guess called spirit wall, and I'm just hanging a lot of fucking pictures off of that with things, you know.